So this is my image in timeline. Now I'll add a text over this image. So I'm just clicking on File, New, and Legacy Title. Okay. Now select here the text tool and write your text here. And select your entire text, and now in this right hand menu section you can easily change your text size from here. So I'm adding here 500%, and then click on color field and go ahead and select a different color for your text. I'm selecting this color, for example, and then click on font family and you can go ahead and select a different font. So go ahead and customize your font first of all, and then close this window. Now from your timeline, just add the title, and here we can see the text. If you want to again edit the text, double click on this title, and now you can again customize the text just like this. You can reposition, you can change the text size, and that's how you can actually add text over image.